A letter explaining a car accident can become a critical document after a vehicle collision because insurance companies, employers, law enforcement agencies, and other parties may rely on your written explanation when reviewing claims, investigating liability, assessing damages, or evaluating the circumstances of the incident. An incomplete or unclear explanation can create misunderstandings, delay claim processing, or make it difficult to establish an accurate record of what occurred. So here is how to write it. Sender information. Start by writing your personal contact information at the top of the letter. For example, Daniel Carter, 4821 Pine Ridge Lane, Phoenix, AZ 85017, 602-5557-842, daniel.carter@email.com. This section identifies who is providing the explanation and gives the recipient a way to contact you if additional information is needed. It also helps ensure the letter is associated with the correct accident file, insurance claim, or investigation record. Date. After your contact information, write the date. For example, June 18, 2026. The date establishes when the explanation was prepared and submitted. This can be important when creating a timeline of events or documenting communications related to the accident. Recipient information. Next, write the details of the person or organization receiving the letter. For example, Emily Foster, Claims Adjuster, Guardian Auto Insurance, 950 Claims Center Drive, Phoenix, Arizona 85020. This section identifies the intended recipient and ensures the explanation reaches the correct person or department. Accurate recipient information helps avoid delays in processing the matter. Subject line. Now write a clear subject line. For example, subject, explanation of car accident. The subject immediately informs the reader about the purpose of the correspondence. A clear subject line allows the recipient to quickly identify the matter being addressed and organize the document appropriately. Salutation. Address the recipient professionally. For example, Dear Ms. Foster. This creates a respectful and professional tone for the letter. Using the correct name and title shows professionalism and attention to detail. Opening paragraph. Now explain why you are writing. For example, I am writing to provide an explanation regarding the car accident that occurred on June 14, 2026, at approximately 4:15 p.m. in downtown Phoenix, Arizona. This paragraph immediately identifies the specific incident being discussed, so there is no confusion about which accident the explanation relates to. Including the date, time, and location at the beginning helps establish the foundation for the rest of the explanation. Accident description paragraph. Next, explain what happened leading up to the accident. For example, on the date mentioned above, I was operating my vehicle, a 2022 Toyota Camry, and was traveling eastbound on Jefferson Street when the accident occurred. The incident happened when a vehicle ahead of me stopped suddenly at an intersection, resulting in a collision despite my attempt to brake and avoid impact. This paragraph provides the factual sequence of events leading up to the accident. Presenting the information in chronological order helps the reader understand exactly how the incident unfolded and reduces the possibility of misunderstandings. Consequences. Paragraph. Now explain the results of the accident. For example, as a result of the accident, both vehicles sustained moderate front-end damage, and one driver reported minor neck pain. Emergency services and law enforcement were contacted, and a report was filed under reference number PHX-2026-78451. This paragraph documents the impact of the accident, including injuries, vehicle damage, property damage, and official reports. Providing these details helps create a complete record of the incident and its consequences. Actions taken paragraph. Next, explain what you did immediately after the accident. For example, immediately following the accident, I contacted emergency responders, exchanged insurance and contact information with the other driver, cooperated with law enforcement officers at the scene, documented the damage with photographs, and reported the accident to my insurance company. This section demonstrates that appropriate procedures were followed after the collision. Showing that you acted responsibly can be important during insurance reviews and accident investigations. Contributing factors paragraph. Now explain any factors that may have contributed to the accident. For example, based on the information available to me, the contributing factors to the accident were heavy afternoon traffic and the sudden stop made by the vehicle ahead. I am providing this information solely to explain the circumstances surrounding the incident. This paragraph provides context regarding conditions that may have influenced the event. The focus should remain on factual observations rather than speculation or assigning blame without evidence. Follow-up actions paragraph. Next, explain what steps have been taken since the accident. For example, since the accident, I have cooperated fully with all required parties and have taken steps to address the situation, including arranging vehicle repairs, submitting the necessary insurance documentation, and attending all requested claim review appointments. This paragraph shows that you have continued to handle the matter responsibly after the accident occurred. Demonstrating cooperation often helps support a smooth review and resolution process. Regret and responsibility paragraph. Now acknowledge the seriousness of the incident. For example, I regret the occurrence of this accident and any inconvenience, damage, or concern it may have caused. I remain committed to acting responsibly and complying with all applicable traffic laws and reporting requirements. This paragraph demonstrates professionalism and respect for everyone affected by the incident. A sincere and respectful tone can help reinforce the credibility of your explanation. Thank you paragraph. Next, thank the recipient for reviewing your explanation. For example, thank you for your time and consideration. Please let me know if any additional information, documentation, or supporting records are required. This paragraph keeps the communication open and shows your willingness to assist with any further review. Offering additional information demonstrates cooperation and transparency. Sincerely. Now close the letter properly. For example, Sincerely Daniel Carter. This is your formal closing and signature identification. A proper closing helps maintain the professional nature of the document from beginning to end. Reference information. Finally, include any identifying numbers if applicable. For example, driver's license number D123-45678. Claim number CLM-2026-99842. This information helps insurance companies, employers, attorneys, or investigators quickly locate the correct file associated with the accident. Including reference numbers can significantly reduce processing delays and administrative confusion. Before submitting your letter explaining a car accident, carefully review every date, time, location, and factual statement for accuracy. Stick to objective facts, explain the events in chronological order, document the actions you took after the accident, and avoid assumptions that cannot be verified. A strong explanation letter helps create a reliable record of the incident and supports a fair review by insurance companies, employers, or other parties involved. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Writing Practices for more step-by-step writing guides. See you in the next video.